So how are you feeling about doing this today?
Not too happy about it, quite honestly.
Why?
I'm nervous I'm not going to know any of them.
I'm not gonna know anything.
I know a lot about Christmas, but I'm just not good in trivia.
I don't know if I know a lot, but I will try.
How are you feeling about the competition today?
I feel great.
Lauren? Okay, good answer.
Ooh, you're going down. Not really, I'm gonna lose.
Ask you and get a little comfortable.
I'm ready to not get any of these answers accurate. I wanna try your buzzer.
I don't operate under
Ooh,
pressure.
you got a happy one.
stress.
Boing.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Why are you pushing me out of the way?
Okay.
I pressed it. I thought I did.
I'm ready to win.
I kind of have to pee.
What about you?
I'm gonna win.
You are the easiest elf to beat on the block.
But I'm a reindeer.
You are a reindeer.
Okay.
We'll see about that.
Payday's on Saturday.